Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Firebase Auth phone verification for iOS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Xcode project and navigate to your project settings. Ensure you have already installed the Firebase SDK in your iOS project. If you have not installed it yet, open Terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command to install Firebase Auth via CocoaPods, using the appropriate pod. Once installed, close the terminal and reopen Xcode. Next, go to the app.delegate.swift file. Import the Firebase module by adding Import Firebase at the top. In the application did finish launching with options method, configure Firebase by calling Firebase app.configure. Now, you need to enable phone authentication in your Firebase console. Go to the Firebase console, select your project, and navigate to the authentication section. Click on the Sign In Method tab. Enable phone authentication by toggling it on. Scroll down and save your changes. Now return to your Xcode project. Create a new Swift file for your auth service. In this file, import Firebase and create a class named authService. Define a method for sending a verification code to the user's phone number. Inside this method, initialize the phone number and a verification completion handler. Use phoneauthprovider.provider.verifyPhoneNumber function. Implement the necessary completion handlers to handle success and error responses. Next, create another method to verify the code entered by the user. In this method, use the verification ID received previously. Call phoneauthprovider.provider.credential to get a credential. Sign in the user using auth.auth.signin with a credential. Handle the success and error callbacks. Now return to your view controller. Create a text field for entering the phone number and another for the verification code. Add a button to send the verification code to the specified phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.